Menstruation, also known as a period, is a natural body change a girl goes through when she is growing up. It is a monthly flow of blood from the uterus through the vagina in all girls, and it is completely normal and natural. The first menstrual period normally happens between the ages of 10 and 13 in girls. Menstruation is natural and healthy. The first menstrual period lasts between 3 to 7 days. The average menstrual cycle is 28 days. It is from the first days of the period to the next. Girls should visit a health center when they have any problem during their menstruation. If you are over 16 years old and have not had a menstruation period, please see a doctor. Girls should not fear or worry when they find blood in their panties, on their dress, or on their bed. This is normal and part of growing up. It means they have started menstruation. Girls should talk to a teacher, parent, or a guardian for advice and support. Some of the ways girls try to deal with menstruation include using toilet paper not wrapped in a clean piece of cloth, plain cotton wool, non-absorbent materials, rough dirty cloth, sitting on sand, sitting on stone, sitting on sponge on mattresses, newspapers, banana fibers, leaves or grass, and polythene bags. These are all wrong and unhygienic. Using this method is not healthy. Instead, we should use reasonable pads which are neither manufactured or homemade, sanitary pads or cotton wool wrapped in neither a clean piece of cloth. As a girl, I am responsible for my body and I know that menstruation is natural and healthy. I look for correct information about menstruation. I use good materials during menstruation, for example, sanitary pads and clean panties. I must keep my body clean and healthy. I will wash my panties every day. I have a duty to keep the environment clean. I need privacy and access to sanitary facilities. I safely keep my used pads and later safely dispose or burn them. I will not miss school during menstruation. I will carry 2 sanitary pads, a handkerchief, and an extra pair of pants in my bag or pocket. And I will participate in all school activities. Boys need to appreciate the body changes that both they and their sisters go through and develop a positive attitude towards others. Boys should also respect the positive choices girls make. Boys need to understand menstruation so that they can support their female friends and sisters. Boys need to treat all girls like their sisters. They do not have to leave them at home during school time. Boys should not tease the girls. They should respect them. Boys should not peep in the girls' washroom because it is disrespectful. Boys also need to understand the changes in their own bodies. If we support girls, especially during menstruation, they will stay in school, allowing them become productive citizens in their communities and families. Please join us in supporting girls so that they can stay in school. This message is powered by the Chagai Foundation.